POV is actually from a third person angle, so I don't have the thing on my head right now, but yeah, it's just a nighttime POV, and the wind shouldn't be as bad either. I'm not sure, I've never tested it out, so just let me know in the comments if you guys actually like it. I'm not sure which one is better. If this one is good, I'll just leave it on. If not, I'll try the other one.
I mean, it's not falling down, so I think it's fine. As long as it stays.
Someone in front of me. Damn, I didn't even pop on it.
Let's get this.
Oh, I scraped that.
I don't know.
Let's get a little pull. That car sounds sick.
The mic fell down.
No, I think it's fine still. It's omnidirectional mic. I think that's how you pronounce it. So it actually like picks up sound from all around. Look at that Maserati. It's a dealership. But yeah, with the other mic, you hear the car, but it's not as close like to what it actually is in real life. It's not that similar. So I hope this mic is better. I did a voice test, but I didn't actually drive the car with the pops and everything, so I'm not sure how that sounds, but I know my voice should sound like more clear with this one.
Or like on a highway when you have it down.
I think it's just a glass. Can you push it up?
Oh.
Push it up?
Yeah, it's fine now.
Oh no, more than that. Is it shaky? Is it in place or is it?
No, I think it's out. Hun. Stop. It's hanging. Guys, the whole mirror is out.
I don't know how that fell out.
I'm gonna just try and
No, don't put it in. It's hard.
I'm just holding it in because I can't hold it out there. My fingerprints are gonna be all over this.
Because I was looking at it and I'm like, no wait, my mirror shouldn't be pointing at the ground like that.
That gave me a heart attack. I thought it was gonna fall out.
Because it's plugged in, so it won't just fall off. I'm gonna pull over somewhere. I just can't stop here.
Yeah, you have
There's nowhere to stop.
Well, we're 5 minutes away, but I can't hold. Wait, stop here. I'll fix it.
No. Trust me, it's hard to put in. Because these mirrors are aftermarket mirrors. Because I had the regular mirrors and one of them were like really blurry. So I had to change it. And I just got these ones. They're way bigger. Like I can see everything behind me with these mirrors. Like look at it. It's
How's
huge.
That mirroring? Oh yeah, look, that one's so far back. This is out.
Yeah. If I was driving by myself, it definitely would have been gone. Because it was like pointing to the ground. And I'm like, my mirror shouldn't be pointing there. I don't know. It's not easy to put in though. That's the thing. Because when I was changing them, it took long. Yeah. It's my mirror. Look. There is parking? Yeah. I'm just showing the thing. But yeah, I'm just parked up here. But I think we have to go down there actually. I didn't think there was any parking, but we are kind of late, so I might have to leave it like this for now and fix it after, but that whole thing is falling off. Should be good though. I should just clip it into place. I don't know how it came out though. That's the thing, because it's not like the wind is blowing in that direction. The wind is blowing here, so it shouldn't have like, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna put it in. Give you guys a little walk around of the car real quick though. Not the cleanest right now. Yeah, still looks pretty good. It is getting darker out, so I'm for sure gonna do like a nighttime, full-on nighttime POV where it's fully dark. But yeah, I'm gonna head in real quick because we are late and give you guys a nice little POV after and fix that mirror. Alright boys, so we just finished the escape room. We did not complete it, almost though, because it's my first time doing it and I did the hardest one. Just me being me, bro, because I thought I would get it first try, but it is actually hard. I feel like I could have completed it, but when I started, I was not really like in a rush or nothing with the time because I thought, oh, this is just easy, but it's really not that easy. So maybe if I do it again another time, then I'll get it. But this is what it's called. I don't know if you guys are from Ottawa, you can probably try it out. But yeah, car's looking good. I did fix the mirror. I just had to clip it back in place. I don't know how it fell out, but it is way darker out. So give you guys a sick little POV going back home. Just try to get a little cold start. It's not really cold though. Mad quiet.
No, when the windows are down. Is there actually people still playing? Why are the lights?
No, not this late. It goes off at 11, so it should go off right now.
No, there are. Look.
Yeah, it's gonna go off right now though, I bet. The lights, they actually
What
go
is
off.
it, soccer? Yeah, it's soccer.
Oh, why the pop sound so weird? It's because it's not warm.
We're turning left? Yeah.
It's getting warmer now, that might be weird. No, shit. See, it's getting warm now, it's like, it sounds good. No, your hair's gonna get messed up, but for this one pull,
Oh my god.
for this one pull, I just want to do it with the window down. What am I waiting like? There's a light.
I don't know.
But yeah, I want to try to see if how what the wind thing is.
It just smells so bad.
You can smell the car?
I don't know what I'm smelling. It's
I'm
just
not smelling anything. Maybe it is the car, but I'm used to it.
The speed camera's here.
Is it? Maybe. It's not a pop on the way.
Oh, that should not sound like that.
Sounds like my rod knocked.
Mazda, this is.
Probably didn't do an oil change ever. This is where I gap Kingsley, somewhere on this road. Yeah, definitely getting warm.
See, the thing is, there's never any nice cars down here.
Not when I'm recording.
No, just in general.
Nah, there's not much nice cars here.
In Lansdowne, you have to be, and that's the only
Yeah.
place you'll ever see them. Or Finley.
Yeah, just like randomly like this, you're not gonna see nice cars this late either.
No, but this late is when they're out at Lansdowne.
Oh yeah, if there's an event or tomorrow there
Tomorrow.
should be. Yeah, I'm gonna try to record tomorrow. Police reported it, but yeah, if I record tomorrow, there should be nice cars because there's a Red Bucks game.
Yeah, let him go.
How's he doing? Yeah, he is going.
You don't want to get hit.
Could have made it, but these roads are so bad.
Potholes everywhere. I got that in the